What's up, Alphas? Over the last week, we've been talking a whole lot about trends and what's popular. That way you guys can actually create products this season that people are going to want to buy. So if you guys are new to the holiday series, be sure to go back and watch the first video where we talk about how to use eRank to look up products that will actually be trending in November and December, because it's almost like you need a magic crystal ball to even be able to anticipate what's going to be trending that far ahead, right? Well, that's kind of what that video will discuss. So that video is going to be linked down below. Make sure that you watch it. And today's video is going to partner with that one, because this one is going to allow you to actually see some visuals to go along with what's trending. The tool that we're going to be checking out today is from a website that you've probably shopped on, you've probably been to their brick and mortar, and not to mention, we bring this particular tool, website, shop up all the time when we do our trends video. So this is going to be no surprise to you. Just watch the video, you'll understand. Other than that, guys, there are gonna be some freebies down below, some cheat sheets. Be sure to download those as you watch this video and follow along.
One of my favorite places to look for trends is Target.com, because for some reason it seems like Target has all of the answers and they know what's going to be trending before trends even emerge. I don't know how, but I'm pretty sure that they have some psychics on their team. So when you go to Target.com, head into this trending tab, and this is where we're going to see most of our trending themes. If you ever watch our live trend sessions that we do on the channel, you might recognize this page, but this is where I find the best trends. And right now it's going to be mostly fall, but already right from the homepage, we can see things that are trending. These colors, this burgundy, this terracotta color, this fuzzy texture. You can see the background colors, and even if you can't make your products in the colors that you're seeing, you can always use these colors as the actual background for your marketing photos, similar to what you're seeing here. So Target, almost every single page is choreographed to give you an insight into what's trending, even if it's subtle, like the colors of the fonts and the colors of the backgrounds. But we're gonna go ahead and hop into this trending tab and take a little look. I really like the Target Style tab, because what this does is it pulls items that have been mentioned on Instagram and puts them all in one place. So we can see a lot of consistent things here. For example, you'll notice a lot of cheetah print and animal print this year, and that theme I'm pretty sure is going to remain consistent through the holidays. Now, when this video releases, you'll probably have even newer photos. So what I recommend doing is check this page often and come back every few weeks, especially when you're developing new product lines. But for the most part, we're seeing a lot of consistent colors that will probably remain consistent through the holidays. So I'm seeing a lot of this beige color, even in some of the product backgrounds. There are a lot of photos still from summer, but that's okay, because a lot of the colors that we're seeing will remain consistent through the holidays, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and scroll back up and look at some other sections of the trending tab. Next, we're gonna go into Target Finds. And as you can see, since it is September, everything is fall themed right now. But as it gets closer to the holidays, you'll be able to find some more holiday themed sections in this tab. But we can see that this background color is this nice orange. You can right click and open these to check out all different products that follow these themes. Obviously, with it being September, there are a lot of pumpkins and pumpkin spice. But we're also seeing a very consistent color theme with this kind of golden color and lots of oranges and the terracotta. Scrolling down, we can see the 3 color combos you're about to see everywhere this fall. So there is a good indication that this is something that will be trending. And you can just kind of scroll through and check out all different, there's body themed and bath and body themes that you can steal for the holidays. This is all back to school, and now we're kind of getting into summer. But like I said, come back to this page over the next few weeks and begin exploring, because you're going to see a lot of great things that are going to help you to see what will be trending for your holiday sales. Scrolling through here, we have a fun stuff tab. This is more silly things. You see a lot of silly Halloween costumes in here and room decor, but a lot of these things you can really start to notice the consistent trends, like llamas. Those have been really trendy. Pineapples, mermaids have been really trendy, and these are all things that will remain consistent for holiday shopping. So take note of the things that you're seeing over and over again. We saw pineapples up here on these bookends, and then we scroll down again and we see more pineapples. So that's a pretty good indication that pineapples are going to be something that will be trending throughout the holiday. Let's go ahead and pop into our next tab. Kids' birthday parties birthday party ideas. This might be one if you create any type of paper product. Going through and looking at some of the trends, we can see that llamas, sloths, and another cool thing that you can do is look at the trends for children's birthday parties. If you make anything related to children or teenagers, you can take these themes and create products based on them. So even if you only create children's t-shirts, you can go into the party tab and see what's trending in parties and create t-shirts with llamas on them, and they will still be trendy because these are trending themes, right? So lots of different ideas here. And we'll go ahead and scroll down and look at our fall outfits. This is a really good indication of different patterns and colors that will be trending, and you can use these anywhere where fabric is used. You can use them in pillows, you can use them in clothing, you can use them in handbags. There are a lot of good ideas here. And what we're seeing a lot of are these kind of muted neutral colors. So a lot less bold this year. So as you can see, Target seems to be the #1 place while looking for trends, where you can find some really great colors, patterns, and overall themes for your holiday product planning. So make sure that you're checking Target often, even if you do not have a Target in your area. I know that there are some countries where Target isn't really a big thing, but this is still a great site to do product research, especially around the holidays when everyone is searching for trending products.
I bet you guys never imagined that you could use Target for reasons like product line research, but it's a very valuable tool, and I hope that you guys now have new insight on how you can use this very valuable resource over and over again, not just for the holidays. You can look back on it all the time because Target updates so frequently. They're on top of it. They know what's trending, and this is going to help you tremendously for your holiday planning and your planning year-round. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, don't forget, down below, we're going to have our Black Friday survival guide, which you can download, you can print it, you can keep it on your phone, you can keep it on your Kindle. This survival guide is going to include a checklist that you can follow along with as you prep for your Black Friday and Cyber Monday and Small Business Saturday sales. So be sure to grab that in the link down below. That way you can prep with me, because it's the same checklist that I use for my Etsy shop. And lastly, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe via the little red button and click the bell icon. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video or we go live. We'll see you next week.